Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with this beautiful party makeup tutorial. I think it's perfect for 31st night or 1st January party, and I created this black and silver half cut crease eye look and paired it with a beautiful nude lipstick. I created a similar look last year, but when I was watching that video I thought, well, I may do better. So here is a better version of that look. Before starting, hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos almost every alternative day. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay Concealer in the shade 20 and I'm just applying on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. I already did my brows off camera. If you want to know my eyebrow routine, I will mention it in the description but down below, so please do check that out. Now I'm just setting the concealer with some loose powder so that it does not crease. Now first I'm taking this cool toned brown shade from my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and I'm just applying it as my transition color, and I'm just slowly building up the pigmentation because I do not want any kind of patchiness. Now I'm taking this warm toned brown color from the same palette and I'm just applying it on top of the previous shade just to give it a little bit of warmth. And the brush that I'm using is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade from the palette and I am just applying it on my outer V area as well as slightly on my crease. I'm going to cut my crease. For that, my crease has to be really dark and defined. Now I'm taking this matte black shade from the palette and I'm just repeating the previous step here. That means I'm applying it on my outer V area as well as slightly on my crease. Now I'm taking this warm toned brown color from the palette and I'm just diffusing the borders because I wanted that warmth back on this look. Now with the same concealer, I'm just cutting my crease. As I have hooded eyes, I'm placing the cut crease a little bit higher. If you do not have hooded eyes, then you can place it directly onto your crease. And now I'm just reapplying the concealer again. Now with my finger, I'm just diffusing the borders so that blending becomes easier later on. Now I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in the shade Liquid Diamond and I'm just applying it on top of the concealer. It's going to be the base for the glitter. Now I'm taking this NYX Glitter Primer and I'm just applying it on top of the silver eyeshadow. I'm taking this NYX glitter in the shade Silver and I'm just applying it on top of the glitter glue. And glitter, it can instantly change the look, you can see. I'm just diffusing the borders to have a nice gradient effect. I'm kind of creating a smoked out eyeliner effect. This way, when I will apply the falsies, it will blend better with my natural eyelids. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base. For that, first I'm taking this e.l.f. Poreless Primer and I'm just priming my face and neck. I already moisturized my face and neck about half an hour ago. For color correcting, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal HD Color Corrector in the shade Peach and I'm just applying it around my mouth and underneath my eyes. Now I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge from Wet n Wild. For my foundation, I'm taking this Too Faced Dewy foundation in the shade Sand And again, I'm just buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge. What a foundation! I'm so impressed with this foundation. It is so full coverage, so long lasting, and it is very, very dewy. I just love it. And it is also very, very long lasting. If you have dry skin, this foundation is going to be perfect for you. Look at the glow. Isn't it beautiful? For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, around my mouth, and just under where I'm going to place my contour next. And I'm just again blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge. I'm just setting my smile lines as well as my under eyes using the same loose powder. Now to set my entire makeup, I'm taking this MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in NC40 and I'm just setting my entire makeup with it. Now I'm applying a lot of loose powder underneath my eyes. If I get any fallouts due to the eyeshadows, it will help to catch that fallout and I can dust it up later without spoiling my base. And did I mention it is my Coty Airspun loose powder. I'm just tight lining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Liner in the shade Jet Black. I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using the same matte black eyeshadow, and I just wanted to make it a little bit smokier, a little bit on the vampy black side. I'm taking the warm toned brown shade from the palette and I'm just applying it on the border of that black eyeshadow to make everything look put together. Now I'm just quickly dusting off the excess powder. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler and I'm just applying a coat of mascara. This is my Lancome Big Lash Moisture Mascara. For my falsies, I'm going with these Kiss lashes in this style Brassiere, and now I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my OFRA Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlighter. And here is the final eye look. For my face, I'm taking this Bahama Mama bronzer by the Balm Cosmetics and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, forehead, as well as my nose. And the brush that I'm using is from Pune store. To contour my nose, I'm using an eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. Now I'm taking this Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow and I'm just bronzing up my face using this Equate all-purpose brush. Nowadays, I feel like I cannot do my makeup without bronzers. For my blush, I'm taking this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine and I'm just applying it on my cheeks. This is such a stunning color. I'm taking the same OFRA Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter and I'm just hitting the high points of my face like my cheekbone, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, also the sides of my forehead. I'm just setting my entire makeup using my Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. For my lips, I'm using this Anastasia Matte Lipstick in the shade Rosewood. This is such a stunning nude lipstick and it is perfect for people with my skin tone. And that's pretty much it. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. And please share this video with your friends and family and let them know about my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.